y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making chicken and dumplings in the crock pot so you can just set it and forget it. These are the ingredients that I used. I used garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper. I didn't use chicken bouillon, cream of chicken, chicken broth, and these are the vegetables I used. You don't have to add peppers. I just wanted to see if I liked them in it, and I did in hindsight. And yeah. And these are the biscuits that I use. You can use whichever ones that you want, but these are the ones that I had in the fridge. And here's the chicken that I baked before cooking the rest of the meal in the crock pot, just to cut out the cook time. And that's also another reason why I decided not to use chicken bouillon, because the chicken was already well seasoned. I'm using the cream of chicken as well as the chicken broth, so I didn't want it to be too salty. And I'm about to add the chicken broth, and you basically just want to add the chicken broth up until a little over it filling the chicken. And because I wanted to get all of what I could of the cream of chicken, I added a little bit of water, swirled it around the can, and then poured the excess into the crock pot. And clearly you can hear me scraping the hell out of this can because, like I said, I ain't trying to leave nothing behind. So here I am adding the vegetables. Just a little bit of celery, the green peppers that I mentioned, onions and carrots. You can definitely omit any vegetables that you don't want and then replace them with ones that you do. And here you can see me very awkwardly trying to show you that I'm adding garlic powder. I was trying to show you without moving the camera, and the bottle was so big, so I did what I could. And really, this is, there's no measurements because it's really to your taste. So whatever amount that you want of whatever ingredient, just go for it. So after all the ingredients are in there, you want to mix and incorporate everything that you added, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. So because my chicken was already cooked before adding it to the crock pot, I put it on high, and I'm going to have this cook for about 2 hours. You can add a little bit more time depending on how tender you want your soup to be and your vegetables rather. So yeah, just about 2 hours, 2.5 hours on high heat if your chicken is cooked already. So you can really cut the dumplings in any size that you want. I wanted to mix up the different sizes just because I felt like the texture would be better that way. So you see me cutting some smaller pieces, some bigger pieces, and just pretty much doing the different variations in sizes for my dumplings. So this is about 40 minutes since it's been cooking, and you want to make sure that the soup is really hot before adding the biscuits, because if you don't wait until it's hot, then the dumplings will sink and then they'll get all mushy and weird. So definitely wait until the sauce or the soup is hot. So after the dumplings are added, you want to put the lid back on and let it finish cooking for about 45 minutes. So here I'm just checking the texture of the dumplings, make sure everything is good. And as you can see, it's still very much biscuit-like inside, so it's not too mushy, it's just perfect. And this is me showing the inside of the dumpling after taking a bite and seeing if it passed the taste test, which it did. And this is the final result. So tasty, so flavorful, so comforting. It's everything that you need, especially in the colder weather. Just a nice meal that you really don't have to think too much about to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And let me know any other food suggestions that you want to see me make. I definitely will take a look and make those videos for y'all. All right, so until next time, take care. Bye.